Need to show someone how to do something without sending a full video? Create an animated GIF instead. Open ShareX. Click Capture, then choose Screen Recording, GIF. Select the part of your screen you want to record. After a short countdown, perform the steps you want to show. When you're finished, stop the recording from the ShareX system tray icon. ShareX automatically creates an animated GIF that's ready to share. GIFs are perfect for tutorials, bug reports, support tickets, documentation, and quick demonstrations because they play instantly in most apps and browsers without requiring someone to download a video. Keep your recording short, usually between 5 and 15 seconds, for smaller file sizes and smoother playback. If the GIF looks too large, you can reduce the recording area or lower the frame rate in ShareX settings. It's one of the fastest ways to explain something visually without editing a video. In the next video, I'll show you how to automatically upload screenshots and instantly copy the sharing link.